Hello everyone, welcome back to AI Vidya. In the last video, we had studied about the implementation of linear regression on the real world dataset. We had studied about the house price prediction dataset for predicting house prices. Today, we are going to study about another type of regression, that is polynomial regression. We will see what are the problems we are having with the linear regression, and that's why we need to switch to polynomial regression. Today, we're going to discuss the few topics which are listed on your screen. Problem with linear regression and polynomial regression. Now, let's begin with the problem of linear regression. Now, let's consider the data set D having only one dependent variable and one independent variable. This is our independent variable and this is our dependent variable. Now, if we have the plot of this data set like this, consider this plot. This is our x-axis and this is our y-axis. Now, let's have the points like this. You can see I'm drawing the points. Now, if we draw a line and try to fit these data with the help of a linear regression, we will get somewhat like this, or we can also get in other cases like this, or we can also get this. Okay, the linear regression equation will be like this: ax plus b. Since we have only one dependent, one independent variable, it is a simple equation of the line. Now we will see that if we have the data set like this in somewhat curve like structure, you can see I'll draw the curve like structure. Now if we try to fit the line, it will pass like this, or maybe it will pass like this. Okay, we will see that simple line will not be able to capture the situation, this data. That is, we are missing so many points. You can see that if we are using this line, we will miss this point, we will miss this point, and we will miss this point. Like most of the points we are going to miss if we have the simple line. In this case, the training error. You know what is the training error? It is basically the sum of the differences of the points from this line. Like if this is x, this is the difference, we will sum all those differences, we will take the average of that, and that is the formula which we have used for the training error. So for curve like structure or maybe some more complex wave, you can see if we have a data like this, then we cannot fit using a simple line. If we have data like this on this axis, you can see this is x and this is y. If we have this shape, then we cannot fit that data with the help of a line. In that case, our training error will be very high and it will give wrong prediction in most of the cases. If the query point is somewhat close to this line like here, then the training error will be low and the prediction is also right. But in most of the cases, we can have the query point here, we can have the query point here. Then in that case, our prediction will be wrong in most of the cases. Therefore, we will not prefer linear regression in this case. And then we need to switch to the polynomial regression. Now we will see what is this polynomial regression. Polynomial regression. In polynomial regression, the relationship between dependent variable, that is dependent variable, and the independent variables, all the independent variables which are present in our data set, is not linear. That this function is not linear. In case of linear regression, we will have this function is like dependent variable is equals to independent variable multiplied with some variable quantity, like we will say that w or plus. It's a linear, you can see it's a linear function. But in case of polynomial regression, we will not have this kind of structure. For polynomial regression, we can have y hat equals to x square w2 x1 w1 plus v, or we can also have y hat equals to x cube w3 x square w2 x1 w1 plus v. You can see that here the maximum power to which x is raised is 2. So we call this equation as polynomial equation of order 2. Similarly, here x is raised to power 3. Therefore, this equation is simply called as polynomial equation of order 3. Now, if we try to fit the second order polynomial equation to this data, it will more close to like this. It will be somewhat like this, or it can be like this, but it is far greater than this linear equation. So in this case, our error will be low. Our error will be low. So this is all about polynomial regression, which is required for the introductory purpose. In the next video, we are going to study a Python code that is used to demonstrate how this polynomial regression works and how we use that polynomial regression on the real world dataset. So if you like my video, then please like it, give a thumbs up, please share it and subscribe to AI Vidya. If you have any query, then drop your query in the comment section. I will definitely answer them. Till then, thank you.